Let us see the wonders of Zoe's Resort and Eco Adventure Park located at San Roque, Bulusan, Sorsogon. 1.1 km from the main road, pwede lakarin pero better if may sasakyan. You can find 3 waterfalls just in one resort. Just a tip, unahin nyo yung Hulugan Falls dahil ito ang pinakamalayong falls sa main resort. Kailangan nyong sumakay ng tractor papunta doon and it was such a fun experience. After 10 to 15 minutes, kailangan mo nang lakarin ang papuntang falls in 5 to 10 minutes. Hindi lang medyo pero sobrang tarik pababa sa falls kaya mag-ingat baka mahulog ka sa maling tao. Charis. Lakad lang ng onte at makikita mo na ang Hulugan Falls. Nakapunta na ako dito dati pero Naglaho Falls ang tawag nila. Pwede mag-swimming, cold and refreshing. You can take your time na mag-relax or mag-picture-picture dahil hintayin naman kayo ng tour guide. Kung nahihirapan ka nga pababa kanina ay mas mahihirapan at papapagod ka pataas. Enjoy the greens and breathe the fresh air going back to the resort. Next stop ay amang katabi lang na Cambalbosay at Hidden Falls. Matarik at masikip gaya mo ang hagdan so ingat sa pagbaba. Bubungad sa iyo ang Cambalbosay Falls pero lakad muna tayo ng konti at hanapin natin ang nakatagong paraiso. And I could say paraiso because look at this view. So majestic, so ethereal. It was 11 AM at that time at perfect lang talaga ang tama ng sikat ng araw. Malakas ang buhos at current ng tubig sa falls so it's just perfect for pictorial. After that, pwede mo nang balikan ang nakakamanghang ganda ng Cambalbosay Falls. This is a perfect spot for picnic, sightseeing, prenup shoots, and relaxation. This tall waterfall itself makes you fall in love by its wonders. Prepare your poses kasi sobrang ganda nito for picture taking. Nagtagal nga kami dito for picture taking dahil 10/10 naman talaga ang ganda. Perfect din dito maligo dahil maligam-gamang tubig galing sa taas ng falls. So if you're planning your trip or mahilig ka sa nature or sa waterfalls, this is the perfect place for you.